If you've used an Apple II computer, you probably know about the game Oregon Trail. What you probably don't know is that the game has been around for a very, very long time, and there was a time when it looked completely different from what most people think it normally looks like. The modern one where it's got the pictures of being in the town and the little wagon and all that, in color and so forth, that is actually a newer version for the Apple II. There's a much older one that goes back into the 70s. Now I'm going to show this to you. This is on a public domain file collection known as the Freeloader Library software. And this was a software distribution back in the early 80s. This may have possibly gone into the 70s as well. And so in here, there is a games collection. And if we look in here, one of them is called Oregon. So let's give that a try and see what we get. This program simulates a trip over the Oregon Trail from Independence, Missouri to Oregon City, Oregon in 1847. Your family of 5 will cover the 2,040-mile journey, or mile trail in 5 or 6 months, if you make it alive. You have saved $900 to spend for the trip, and you just paid $200 for a wagon. So, oxen, it tells you what you can spend for each of these. You can spend all your money before the trip or at forts along the way. Okay, so now we are going to do hunting. Now, I'm sure you're familiar with the little hunting thing where you walk around and all of that. That isn't how it was to begin with here. So I'll pick the shaky knees. I'm not a very good hunter. How much do I want to spend on oxen? Let's see, I have $500 to spend. 200 on oxen, 100 on food, 50 on ammunition, 100 for clothing, and 50 for miscellaneous supplies. You have $200 left to spend along the way. And there is our journey map with our little oxen and wagon and the trail across the United States. What do I want to do? Stop at the next fort, hunt, or continue? Let's hunt, because hunting is always the exciting part in Oregon Trail, right? Direct hit. Missed. Direct hit, yay! What, I'm not a little guy walking around? No, that's not how it was to begin with. Missed. Yay! Do you want to eat? Let's see, I have 120 food. I don't remember how the numbers work on here. Let's just pick moderately. It went down by 20. Your wagon has broken down. Lose time and supplies fixing it. See, the little wagon is very slowly moving forward. Continue. Let's eat moderately. Now we're down another 20. Wagon gets swamped fording river. Lose food and clothes. $54 food. Stop at the next fort. How much do you want to spend on food? I have 200 cash. How about 100? Well, that got me about 70 more food. That's not really a whole lot. Bullets, I have 2,460 bullets. I don't need more ammunition. Clothing. Well, let's stay where we are. Miscellaneous, okay. I guess we'll eat poorly. Time and supplies lost. Continue. We'll eat poorly again. Bad illness, medicine used. We'll continue. I'll eat poorly again. 71. Bad illness again. Hunt. Getting low on food. Got it. Direct hit. Direct hit. Direct hit. Oh, it's moving too slowly. Missed. Missed. Oh, no, I hit it. Okay. Ooh, got a lot of food now. 134. We'll eat moderately. Hailstorm, supplies damaged, rugged mountains, the going is slow. Blizzard and mountain pass, time and supplies lost. I'm down to 17 for miscellaneous supplies. Ooh, now we're down to nothing for supplies. Guess we're gonna stop at this port. Nothing. 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 Miscellaneous 50. Guess we'll eat poorly again. Bad illness, rugged mountains, the going is slow. Continue. We'll eat moderately. Your wagon has broken down. Lose time and supplies fixing it. Rugged mountains, the going is slow. Continue. We'll eat poorly again. Wagon is broken down. Lose time and supplies fixing it. Rugged mountains, the going is slow. Continue. We're going to eat poorly. Wagon is broken down. Time and supplies, etc. Spacebar, okay. Let's see, we're down to 4 for miscellaneous supplies. Yes, we're going to stop at the fort. No food, no bullets, no clothing, and I guess we're going to spend the rest of it on miscellaneous supplies. We want to eat, let's see, I guess we're going to eat poorly again. Gonna have to hunt again. Direct hit. Missed. Direct hit. Direct hit. Oh, I'm doing okay. Ooh, got a lot of food now. We'll eat moderately. Wild animals attack. Oh, I get to shoot at the wolf. You missed. Missed again. Terrible shot. Oh, direct hit. Rugged mountains, the going is slow. Blizzard and mountain pass. Time and supplies lost. Let's see, I guess I'll continue. We'll eat moderately. Serious illness, you must stop for medical attention. You can't afford a doctor. You died of pneumonia. Due to your unfortunate situation, there are few formalities you must go through. Would you like a minister? Yes. Would you like a fancy funeral? No. Would you like to inform your next of kin? Yes. That'll be $4.50 for the telegraph charge. Thank you for this information. Sorry you didn't make it to Oregon. Better luck next time. Sincerely, the Oregon Chamber of Commerce. Well, wasn't that exciting? That's nothing like what most people experience for the Oregon Trail. So, that's the beginnings. That's where Oregon Trail really started out from. So, thanks for watching.